The OG of spices? Garlic. This natural scent of any Eastern European. Is this good? Yes. Can we make it better? Definitely. What up family, Anna here, welcome back to my kitchen. Let's talk about my love for garlic that goes beyond anything in life. I can bite into garlic like it's an apple. By the way, I have a crazy giveaway going on. In order to enter the competition, check this video right here and please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. So we're gonna take this simple ingredient and transfigure its harsh, pungent flavor into something very mellow, caramelized, umami, gourmet tasting. Even if you hate garlic, you're going to love this one. So let's cook this, shall we? Get yourself some big, thick garlic balls, like these ones. Carefully undress the garlic by removing the papery outer layers. Get their consent first and don't make them blush either. Once you find out they have been cheating on you, use a sharp knife to cut the top of the bulbs around 4 to half of an inch. Should be enough. Put the garlic in aluminum foil that should be long enough to wrap it entirely. Lubricate each bulb with some olive oil by using your fingers. Now your hands are vampire proof. Make it rain with some kosher salt also. Wrap them with aluminum foil and bake them in the hell chamber at 400 Fahrenheit, that is 204.4 Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes. That is 30 to 40 minutes in metric system also, until they look like these gorgeous umami flavor packed bombs. The garlic flavor completely changed because it smells like science? Garlic. Unlike us, it does not store its extra energy as fat. Garlic stores it as fructose sugars, chains of fructose molecules. Whenever garlic meets with a predator that wants a taste of him, the Game of Thrones Garlic edition begins. Garlic tries to fight his arch nemesis by releasing allicin, a sulfur compound. Allicin causes an irritating aroma and pungent flavor, keeping the cute enemies away. Now pay attention, allicin results only when garlic is attacked by mice or other animals, when cells walls are destroyed. This sulfur compound is also destroyed when garlic is heated. That's why roasted and fried garlic lacks the pungent, irritating aroma. Also, during heat exposure, the extra energy fructose storage will caramelize, giving a roasted, sweet flavor. Now that we know all this cool stuff, let's go back to the recipe. You can use the roasted cloves as is as spread for your freshly baked baguette. Or for a fancy salad dressing, mix half a cup of yogurt, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, salt, 5 pureed cloves and a drizzle of balsamic vinegar. Thin it down with 4 tablespoons of water and bam! Salad dressing. Please throw away that ranch dressing already. This is too delicious. The ultimate experience is a roasted garlic compound butter for your steak. Take a stick of cultured butter, the kind that graduated from Harvard. Add a few cloves, time for thyme leaves also, around 2 tablespoons, mix it all up, shape it into a log, goes in the fridge for 1 hour and bam! Garlic explosion on your steak. Alright guys, and that's a wrap. So we've made roasted garlic. By doing that we have unlocked the gates to garlic heaven. Roasted garlic is so versatile and can be included in like a billion other recipes. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please support my channel and destroy that subscribe button. Teach the YouTube algorithm who's boss and like and comment on the video. Until next time, remember, life is short, get used to it.